Nintendo! Woohoo!
SpongeBob! Mrs. Bob needs a new fur coat! You're spending all my money! Puffy needs a new pair of shoes! You're breaking me, boy! She needs fine jewelry! Not that fine! SpongeBob! 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 I'm glad I caught you. I want you to buy Mrs. Puff.
Wait! Don't tell me! You want me to run down to the store and buy Mrs. Puff something she doesn't need, then you want me to run back here so you can say, "Arr, SpongeBob, and you're spending all me money." And then I'll say, "But Mr. Krabs, I'm only doing what you said." Then you'll say, "We're not talking about this or this, we're talking about this."
Shut up, Patrick! Shut the up! But lad, this time's different. Mrs. Puff needs this.
Are we going to the park soon?
Oh.